Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Bosch Dishwasher E15 error code in 2026. So E15 code is most commonly triggered when the water collects in the bottom safety tray. So in order to fix it, you just have to turn off the power and carefully tilt the dishwasher slightly backward if safe to do so. This may help drain trapped water from the base. So after doing so, dry the bottom tray completely using towels and absorbent clothes. If after doing this, the code clears, a temporary overflow or the leak sensor triggers was likely the cause. But if the issue still persists, you just have to simply check for oversurging or incorrect detergent use. So sometimes using too much detergent or non-dishwasher soap can create the excessive foam. So this foam may leak into the safety tray and then it can trigger the E15 error code. So you need to simply run a rinse cycle without detergent, and if after doing this the problem stops, it means that oversurging was the root cause here. Now, door gasket leaks can also one of the most common sources of recurring water buildup. So you need to simply check for the crack seals, any kind of debris buildups, wrapped gasket edges, and improper door closure. Cleaning or replacing the damaged seals may prevent the repeat leaks. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.